Alright, everyone. Our mission was a success. Yeah, we got all the legendary bladers.
Did a very good job indeed.
There were so many legendary bladers. But now our roles as scouts have come to an end. Now we must focus on taking down the God of Destruction with the other legendary bladers. Yes, very true. Well, Pegasus, glad that you joined us. Yeah, what can I say? I really enjoyed seeing all of you battle. And plus, you should be praised. A very big role you have done. You've gotten all the legendary bladers together. Well, now it's time to face Nemesis. Yes, we have to stop the God of Destruction. We must defeat him.
Stop me, you say? You better give up on your dreams right now.
It's the God of Destruction, but not the same one that we saw before. Do you think he evolved?
It doesn't matter. I'll crush him. You fools. The power that I've gotten is far superior to that I used to have.
So does that mean that there's more than one Nemesis?
You finally figured it out, fool. My power has expanded greatly. Don't you get it? Didn't your ancestors ever tell you the story of the first time that they faced me? So long ago, they tried to attack me in my own base. But I absorbed all of their powers and I became whole. I became the true God of Destruction, Diablo Nemesis. And now, their descendants and the original El Drago. I have absorbed all of your powers and become whole yet again. I am now Diablo Nemesis.
How dare you, punk!
Well, this is scary. He's really scary.
So this whole time, he's been watching us battle, saving up his power.
Don't you fools remember the green Nemesis? I'm sure a lot of you faced it. That green Nemesis was me. But after absorbing all of your powers, I managed to evolve. But I could not hold all of the power within this body. So, I'd like to introduce you to the new Shadow Army.
What? You used my power? Why, you lousy?
Oh, he looks like me. He looks scary.
Another Varieris. And you copied my data.
Yeah, enough talk. You're all going to Hades right now. Your roles are over. Prepare to go to the darkness. I've studied all of you fools. Not only you, every single legendary blader. Even your precious little friend, Basalorogium. I've created a new Shadowologium. Shadowologium version 2. You fools will perish. You are all going to Hades.
It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna stop it. It's not the same as the other basalt. It's much shorter. If it comes to being short, I won't lose. I'll uppercut it out of here.
In your dreams, you will be deflected.
I don't think so. Power.
What's that you said about your power? Pathetic. You are going to Hades.
I don't think so.
You going down, worm?
I'm not.
What?
Got it. Well, that battle was intense. The stadium almost fell. Alright, who's next?
You're not done with the Rogium, you fool.
What do you mean? I just beat it.
It wasn't showing its full power. Now, go, Rogium.
What? It's using reverse rotation. That doesn't matter. I'm gonna stop it. I'll stop it right now.
You're a fool.
I'm gonna win this.
You won't, little worm. It's over for you.
I don't think so. I just won.
It's getting dark. A storm's starting to brew over. It is the power within me. You fools will realize that now. You may have defeated Rogium, but now you will lose. Go. Shadow Kerbex.
I'm gonna stop that Kerbex right in its tracks.
You
What?
It's over for you. Welcome to Hades, Omega Dragonis.
Dragonis, no! You're gonna pay for that. I got you, Dragonis.
Give it up, Worm. You're going to lose this, just like your precious Dragonis. You'll be going to Hades, too. Doesn't make you upset. Show me that power.
Burn me right now. I'm gonna beat you. What? Why is Rogium back in?
The God of Destruction doesn't play by rules. Only thing I'll do is destroy.
I need to stop it. What? He brought back Rogium. Anubius. Brothers.
I'm done playing with you worms. Don't you get it? You're all going to Hades.
I'm gonna stop you right now.
Your fellow flat Beyblades got deflected. What makes you think that you're gonna break through this Rogium?
I know I can win this. I have the power and the will.
No, you don't. The only thing you have is a one-way trip to Hades. Welcome to Hades, Wing Pegasus.
Ugh, this monster.
You can call me whatever you want to. The fact is that you are all going to Hades now.
I've seen enough here. I'm gonna end this. Blitzstriker, no, you're an attack type. You've seen what the other attack types have gone through. They've all lost. That doesn't matter. I'm different. I'm a special attack type.
No, you're not. You're gonna be going to Hades.
I don't think so. Let us set your little Rogium Bay flying.
So you broke through and beat Shadow Rogium, huh? That doesn't matter, because you all have a first-class trip to Hades. The storm is brewing, and so is my rage. Send them to Hades. Now, Kerbex.
Doesn't matter what you come at me with. I will not lose.
What? Kerbex! Kerbex wasn't showing his true power. Now, Worm, you're gonna pay for your disrespect. Go. Show him your power. Kerbex!
Come at me with whatever.
You were deflected. What? Why aren't you down?
I will not lose.
It's over for you.
I'm not gonna lose this. The other attack types went down. I will win for them.
You won't. You cannot defeat the left rotation Kerbex. It has two faces. One, the normal face. Everybody sees with its right rotation. But when left rotation, it has a whole different type of movement. You will not survive this, Worm. The wrath of the God of Destruction is going to be brought upon you.
What? No! Striker! It's fine. I'm not gonna stop fighting.
Go to Hades, you worm. It's over for you.
I'm not gonna lose.
What? Kerbex! No!
I win.
Let's see you try and survive this weather. With this weather, the whole entire format of the battle will be altered. You will all bow before me, and you will all go to Hades. It's over for you. Now, go, Shadow Barrieris.
There he is, huh? I'm not gonna lose.
It's over for you.
No, it's not.
What? This battle is mine, Worm. It is all mine. Just like this world.
I won't lose.
What? Barriers.
I win. Doesn't matter how much you alter the conditions of the weather. We've been honed and trained to survive it.
You're gonna pay for your disrespect, you little worm. You're gonna regret making me angry. Go! Shadow Quetzalcoatl.
I will face it. El Drago, why you?
Yeah, I want to face it. It's a copy of me after all, you know?
I will face it. It cannot defeat my left rotation. I'm gonna stop you, Nemesis. I'm gonna show you who the true strongest is. I am the strongest dragon. I know you're strong, El Drago Destroy and El Drago Destructor, but I'm much stronger than both of you. Now prove it now.
You little worm. You're gonna pay for your disrespect. Don't you dare.
What was that? That was pathetic.
You're gonna pay for your disrespect, you little worm.
I won't lose. You really think you could doubt my power? My power of my left rotation? My S-130 and my MB? I'm a defense-type Beyblade. I won't lose to you.
You like the sting of the spikes from this Quetzalcoatl? These make you feel all warm and toasty, don't they? Just kidding. They uppercut the hell out of you. It is over for you. You cannot survive the barrage of this Quetzalcoatl. You will perish. You are going to Hades.
I won't lose.
It's over, worm.
What? He beat Quetzalcoatl. Told you. You will not win against me.
You really think you're the strongest dragon? I've heard that before. So long ago, the Dragon Emperor tried to oppose me by himself, and I crushed him. Isn't that right?
I can change that right now. No, El Drago Destroy, I've got this. I will defeat you with my defense. Defense can overcome attack at any point. I will defeat you with my defense right now.
I don't think so, worm. It's over for you.
I don't think so, especially since I'm deflecting your El Drago's attacks. What?
Shadow El Drago. So you defeated the power of the dragon. There's nothing compared to this Pegasus. I took your dead after all. The dead of your ancestor and you. You will perish now.
I'm gonna stop it. You're not gonna get by me. You will not overcome my left rotation.
Huh. You're a fool. You cannot survive this Pegasus, especially when it shows its hidden power. Now, go.
No good. It will not work. I will deflect it, just like I am now. It is over. I'm gonna take this battle.
So you beat up the Pegasus, huh? You fools! You really think you can survive this? This all ends now. Go, Shadow Unicorno. Debate with two faces. You will not defeat the two personalities of this horse.
I will. You're not gonna beat my left rotation. Don't you understand that? You cannot, and you will not.
You'd be a fool to underestimate the power of this Unicorno. It will crush you. Especially with these weather conditions. You cannot keep grip with the stadium.
It's a disadvantage for you. I have left rotation. You cannot defeat it. If you take the grip away from this Unicorno, it cannot win against me. That's what makes Unicorno special. Or Striker. If you take away that grip, it's impossible to defeat me. I'll just continue absorbing you.
It won't happen. You're gonna perish. Now, worm. Welcome to Hades.
No! El Drago Guardian! He went down.
Welcome to Hades, El Drago, Guardian.
No! You can't allow this.
I'm gonna take him on.
No, Quetzalcoatl, you can't.
Why not?
No, I'm gonna end this now. I'm gonna face you, and I'm gonna defeat you. Nemesis, this time, I will show that I am the strongest.
You fool. You really think that you can win against this Unicorno and just sent the other El Drago right to Hades? You're gonna be going as well.
It's not gonna happen. I'm sent flying out.
You're a fool. Your attacks will not work against this Unicorno. Unicorno is deflecting all of your attacks.
You underestimate the power of my final survive. I will absorb all that power right now.
It won't happen, Worm. It is over for you. You may be the descendant of the original El Drago, but your time on this earth is up. Welcome to Hades, El Drago Destructor.
No!
You're gonna pay for that.
I'm gonna end this. I'm gonna step in. Cygnus, why you? Because I'm the winged god. With the ultimate stamina. I can win against it.
You're a fool. You will not. You're going to Hades. You cannot take the attacks of this unicorn.
Well, I just did. Look at that.
You little worm. Looks like if you have to do something right, you have to do it yourself. I will end this now.
It's not over. We're gonna end this.
You're gonna pay for your disrespect, worm. This world is mine.
I'm gonna save the world. You will not win this battle, Nemesis.
You little worm. Pathetic. I'll send you to Hades right now.
You won't. I'm gonna win this battle. It's over, Nemesis.
What? You fools! We're just getting started.
The battle is over, Nemesis. You have lost.
May have lost this battle, but the war is far from over. You fools better start praying. This entire world belongs to me.
That's obviously not true since you lost.
Oh. You think that this is about winning and losing. It's much more than that. This is a life or death struggle for you. These battles were just warming up. I have not shown any of my real power here today. You fools will be in for it. I will destroy all of you and take over your pretty little world. I have gained all of your powers for myself. You fools are going to perish along with all the other legendary bladers. After all, my scouts are taking care of all of them.
Oh no. So you waited for this moment, huh? You waited for us to all split up.
Well,
So you could take on all of us.
you knew it'd be too much of a threat if we were all together.
And now, all of your lackeys are being sent to Hades.
They're not lackeys.
Yeah, they're not lackeys. They're our fellow legendary bladers. You big meanie.
Name calling will get you nowhere. You all will be going to Hades. You may have won the battle, but this war is far from over. You all better prepare to go into a permanent sleep and say hello to the darkness. See you all in Hades. Whoa!
You took down the other El Drago. El Drago Destructor and El Drago Guardian. We lost numbers here today. We really need to reunite with the others. Yes, this is very bad. His power is even stronger than we could have imagined. And he has brought this rainstorm. It has died down for now. But we really need to get back to the others. We must find them. We must save them. We need to put out an SOS. Definitely. We must make sure everyone is all right.
Next time, I will crush you, Nemesis.
Come on, we gotta get out of here. Yes, we have to find the others. So, Nemesis, you really thought that you could get rid of me. I'm the direct descendant of the original Medio El Drago. My power, the power of my ancestor, was created in the depths of Hades. So you know I won't be sent there. I'm breaking free, but I must lay low for now. You'll see me soon, Nemesis. This fight is not over. You will not win.